Today we are going to talk about excellent teamwork that is happening in our body. I am talking about vitamin D and calcium. Teamwork? Really? Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Kulkarni, co-founder of Arna Genext Solutions. So we are all very familiar with vitamin D and calcium, but there are top 5 secrets that most people are not aware of. What are these? We are looking at excellent teamwork that is happening with vitamin D and calcium. So let us look at vitamin D. So the first thing when we are talking about vitamin D is that it is essential for our immune system, for our bone health, for our overall health. And most people know that vitamin D is made in our skin. Skin is one of the largest organs that we have, and sunlight is free. Sunlight is what helps us make vitamin D in our skin. When there is so much sunlight everywhere, why are we all still deficient in vitamin D? That is because we are not exposed enough to sunlight. We are sitting indoors all the time. We are not getting enough vitamin D. So this is one very important reason why we should know about the importance of vitamin D and how to get it. If we can go and be exposed to mild sunlight every day, we can make enough vitamin D, which is very, very essential. The second secret in this teamwork is about calcium. Now, what does calcium and vitamin D have to do together? Well, the important thing to know here is that calcium and vitamin D need to be together to function. They function together. Absorption of calcium actually needs vitamin D. Calcium is not just important for our bones, it is essential for the function of our muscles, for our nervous system, and for a lot of different important things that are happening in our cells. And calcium needs the support of vitamin D. If we are deficient in vitamin D, we are going to be deficient in calcium as well. Did you know the secret? The third important thing to know is about calcium. So calcium is a mineral that everybody knows about. We need it for bone health. But do you know that it is required for proper functioning of our muscles, for our nervous system, for a lot of different functions in cellular health? So if we are calcium deficient, we have porous bones, we have osteoporosis, we have aches and pains in our joints, we have poor muscle function, we have poor nervous system function. It plays a lot of different roles. It is very, very important. So what is the fourth secret that we need to know? That for calcium, if you are calcium deficient, you need not just calcium, you need vitamin D as well. Both of these go hand in hand. This is the kind of teamwork we are talking about. So if you are deficient in calcium, there's a very good likelihood that you are also deficient in vitamin D. Are you taking those together? Are you taking vitamin D with fats? Are you taking calcium when you have enough vitamin D? Those are the things that we need to consider. They cannot do anything alone. They are the best friends that we should know of. They have to be hand in hand. This is the kind of teamwork we are talking about. And the fifth secret, which is very important, there's a surprising player here that we need to know of, especially in menopausal women. If you are a woman, you need to have enough estrogen in the perimenopausal and menopausal phase to absorb enough calcium. Vitamin D alone is not enough. So in this particular stage of life, we need enough estrogen also. So if you are deficient in calcium, in vitamin D, and are trying to figure out why are you not absorbing calcium, there's a very good likelihood that there is not enough estrogen to support the absorption of calcium. So this is a surprising player. If you know these 5 secrets of this amazing teamwork that is happening in our body, that we need vitamin D, which is fat soluble, for the absorption of calcium, which is a very important player in bone health and other factors in our health, overall health, And in menopausal and perimenopausal women, estrogen is also required in older women. If you give these kind of considerations, you will not be vitamin D or calcium deficient. Have you looked at those? Let me know if these secrets were helpful.